Right, so here's the garage elevator at the Lone Tree Medical Plaza. I tried to film this about 2 years ago, but I think it was broken then. Which is why it kind of worries me a little to ride it, actually. Those are a little stiff. Definitely an overbuzz. Yeah, this is a little sketchy. It's cold too. It's actually colder than anywhere else I've been so far today. This is a nice parking area though. Looks like it's accessible from over there, but I wouldn't know how you get to it. Okay, there we go. Alright, we'll do a cab view. Door close worked, I think. Standard tile floors. And this blue tarp goes all the way around the entire cab. Nothing much behind it. Just the typical laminate. We'll get a fixture view before we go up. This looks like it was designed for a Signa 4 model. I think this was an add-on, just a hunch. Not really quite sure. Definitely smoother going up than down, but still not really something I like all that much.